Take action today. Don't let your dreams fade away. In the fast-paced rhythm of modern life, it's easy to lose sight of our dreams amid responsibility and distractions. Yet, the pursuit of our aspiration is what lends life meaning and vibrancy. Here is why taking swift action is crucial, along with practical steps to reignite your passion and drive. The importance of action. Every small step you take towards your dreams creates a ripple effect that propels you further. The earlier you start, the closer you get to achieving your goals. Overcoming fear and doubt. Inaction often results from fear of failure or self-doubt. By taking proactive steps, you confront these barriers head-on, building resilience and confidence along the way. Clarity through experience. Many people believe that they must have a perfect plan before they begin. However, clarity often emerges through action. As you engage with your goals, you gain insights that refine your aspiration. Practical step to take action. Set clear, achievable goals. Break your dreams into manageable components. Use the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound to define your objectives clearly. Establish a routine. Dedicate time each day or week to work towards your goals. Consistency is key. Even a small daily action can accumulate significant progress over time. Seek accountability. Share your dreams with a friend, mentor, or coach. Having someone to check in with can help you stay committed and motivated, providing encouragement when you face obstacles. Embrace failure as growth. Understand that setbacks are part of the journey, rather than viewing them as signs of defeat. See them as opportunity to learn and grow. Each failure brings you one step closer to success. Celebrate progress. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. This reinforces your effort and motivates you to continue pushing forward. Your dreams are not merely fantasies. They represent your potential and the impact you wish to have on the world. Taking action today, regardless of how small, propels you closer to realizing those dreams. Don't let hesitation and self-doubt steal your aspirations. Embrace the journey, trust in your capabilities, and take that first step toward your future. Remember, every great achievement begins with the decision to try. Embrace the power of action and watch your dreams transform into reality.